Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At a client's property, they have under contract for $85,000. Amazing. I am so happy for you, Lewis and Allie. It's their first Section 8 rental property. This property needs about $3,500 in work, starting out right here with a nice railing that's going to come up right to here to pass the Section 8 inspection. But come on in, we'll show you around. Welcome everybody, come on in. So under contract at $85,000. This is Allie and Lewis's first rental property, and everything in here has been done very recently, and everything in here has been done pretty well, more so better than a lot of things that we see. So nice living room right here, nice hardwoods. We don't need to do any new flooring in here. Bedroom number 1 has brand new carpets. I hate ceiling fans more than anything, but brand new ceiling fans. We have a new closet doors. We have new closet hardware up against the wall. All new outlets, all new outlet covers, all new paint. Everything in here, guys, brand new, which is great. So the way that this house is laid out, it's all gonna be very tight, which I don't mind at all. So we have our bedroom number 1 that you guys are in right now. We have our living room that we just came in as we walked in. Right here we have a closet for coats, so we have a jacket coat closet right here. And then we have bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and our bathroom. And the bathroom is really nice. Bathroom is brand new as well. New vanity, new toilet, new flooring. It looks really good in there. We have bedroom number 3 at the end of the hallway. All new light fixtures, new closet doors. We have everything that we need, new carpet. Everything looks great in here as well. And then lastly, we come into bedroom number 2. We have new closet doors, new light fixtures. Everything in here, guys, looks really, really good. And it's nice and compact. You know where everybody is. It's all really tight, which I really like. I really like these comfortable small layouts. You come over into the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen. And the kitchen, we have tile flooring, which is fine. I don't love tile because it can crack and break. We have GFI outlets by all of the areas in the sink which need to be done. The one concern issue I have, of course, we have a dishwasher, which we don't like dishwashers. We have a very strange light that makes me feel like I'm in the hospital and I'm about to get operated on. Okay, not good. And then the only thing that bothers me, guys, and there's some great perks to this house. I love them. We got to put a railing off the back of the house. There is daylight coming through this door. The door is uneven, which of course I don't like. And you can see daylight. We have to weather strip and weatherproof these doors. And there is some damage down here as well. But if you see the slope of these cabinets, you see how unbelievably sloped they are downward. I don't love that. Now, of course, the cabinets are new, the countertops are new. They just didn't level them off correctly. But in here, I turn the heat on just to make sure it was working. It's pumping in great. But we have a brand new water heater, which is so nice. Nice new electric water heater. We have our washer and dryer hookups right here, okay, which is really cool as well. It is going to be a little bit of a pain. You're not going to be able to open this door all the way. It's just going to have to go to here because that's where your washer is going to go. Dryer vent right there, but really nice in here. And then there still will be room for a kitchen table right here. So overall, I love it. It's better than a lot of flips that we see. I think it was definitely a flip. It's got new everything in here, more so a flip than it was a turn. And what I mean by that is it's more often the way that they did things in this house are more in line with a flip property that they're trying to get maximum value for, more so than a turnover for a new tenant. Obviously they're selling the unit, but everything's been done in here. There's new drywall updates, there's new light fixtures. Usually when you do a turn of a unit or turnover, you don't do new light fixtures, you don't do new drywall. You don't have to do new carpets all the time. They did. The hardwood has been sanded and refinished very recently. There's a lot of new things, all brand new appliances. You never put new appliances in on a turn. So definitely a flip here, guys. Now, one thing I do want to talk about is a lot of times we don't suggest the dishwashers and the microwaves. I would say no matter what, I hate dishwashers. I will definitely insist upon my clients removing this. What I wouldn't insist upon is removing this microwave. Samsung makes good microwaves, and especially in this setup that it's at, I have no problem with this at all. It also has a fan because it's a over the range microwave, so it has a fan which is going to help the exhaust here when you're cooking. So I would say leave this. Everything in here, guys, I really like. I'm super happy for my clients. It's such a great property. It really is. And it's gonna bring in about $1,200 a month, Section 8, 100% guaranteed. Guys, this stuff is out there for you. If you're interested in this, if you wanna get into this, let me know. Shoot me an email in the description below and we'll get started. Can't wait to work with you. We'll see you next time.